What makes you? Is it your experiences, your choices, your environment? Or is it something deeper, something written into the very fabric of your being? What if the answer lies in your genes? From the moment we're born, our genes are at work, shaping not just our bodies, but our minds. Scientists have long debated the role of nature versus nurture, but emerging research suggests that our genes play a far greater role in shaping our personalities than we ever imagined. Take identical twins, for example. Even when raised in completely different environments, they often exhibit strikingly similar personalities, preferences, and even life choices. This phenomenon, known as genetic determinism, suggests that our genes are the invisible hand guiding much of who we are. But how do genes actually influence personality? It all comes down to the complex interplay of neurotransmitters, hormones, and brain structure, all of which are influenced by our genetic code. Genes regulate the production and function of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which play a key role in mood, motivation, and behavior. For example, variations in the DRD4 gene can influence how much dopamine is released in the brain, affecting traits like risk-taking and novelty-seeking. These genetic traits didn't appear overnight. They evolved over thousands of years to help our ancestors survive. The thrill of risk-taking, the drive to compete, the need for social bonding, these behaviors were essential for survival and have been passed down through generations. But if our genes influence so much of who we are, what does that mean for free will? Are we truly in control of our actions, or are we simply acting out a script written by our DNA? Even within the same family, siblings can have wildly different personalities. This is because each person's genetic code is unique, leading to variations in temperament, intelligence, and behavior. For example, the QMT gene influences how quickly the brain breaks down dopamine, affecting traits like stress tolerance and cognitive flexibility. Your DNA is more than just a blueprint for your body, it's a blueprint for your mind. From the way you process emotions to the way you make decisions, your genes are quietly shaping every aspect of your personality. So, are we more than our genes, or are we simply the sum of our code? The answer may lie somewhere in between, but one thing is certain. The more we learn about our genes, the more we realize how little we truly understand about ourselves.